Hello everyone, especially to you, Doc. My name is Jobert Villa Jose, your student in Assessment of Learning 2, and our topic for today is cumulative frequency distribution. So, what is cumulative frequency distribution? Cumulative frequency distribution is obtained by cumulating the frequency or successively adding the individual frequency from the bottom for lesser than up to the highest class limit or greater than. What is cumulative frequency lesser than? So, cumulative frequency lesser than is the number of cases can be determined falling below the particular score. What is cumulative frequency greater than? It is the number of cases can obtain falling above the particular score. So now we will going to discuss the table. So in this situations, we will have our real limit is 95.5 to 100.5, then 90.5 to 95.5, and so on. So our integral limit is 96 to 100, 91 to 95, 86 to 90, 81 to 85, 76 to 80, 71 to 75, 66 to 70, 61 to 65, 56 to 60, 51 to 55, and 46 to 50. So we have a tally of 3, 5, 4, 5, 6, 9, 6, 4, 3, 3, and 2. So our frequency is 3, 4, 96 to 100. So our frequency for 91 to 95 is 5. So our frequency for 86 to 90 is 4. So our frequency for 81 to 85 is 5. So our frequency for 76 to 80 is 6. So 71 to 75 is 9. 66 to 70 is 6, and 61 to 65 is 4, and 56 to 60 is 3, and 51 to 55 is 3, and 46 to 50 is 2. So our total frequency or the number of cases is 50. Next is from this table we will going to compute the cumulative frequency lesser than and to compute the cumulative frequency greater than. So how to get the cumulative frequency lesser than and also the cumulative frequency greater than. So first is our class cumulative frequency lesser than class limit integral is 46 to 50 is have a frequency of 2. So we will be having to copy that. Then next is the second class limit is we have a 51, 55, we have a frequency of 3, so we will going to add. So 2 plus 3 equals, we have a cumulative frequency less than 5. So next is from the third class limit, we have from 56 to 60, we have a frequency of 3. So 5 plus 3 equals to 8. So the fourth one is we have a frequency of 4. Then we will going to add 8 plus 4 equals to 12. So next, from the fifth class limit, we have a frequency of 6. Then we will going to add 12 plus 6 equals 18, and so on. So next is we will going to discuss about the cumulative frequency greater than. So our cumulative frequency greater than, we have the class limit integral to 96 to 100. So we have from 96 to 100, we have a frequency of 3. So we have to copy the 3 frequency. Then from the second highest class limit, we have from 91 to 95, we have a frequency of 5. Then we will going to add. So 3 plus 5 equals 8. So from the third highest class limit is 86 to 90. We have a frequency of 4. Then we will going to add 5 plus 8 plus 4 equals 12. So from the fourth one is we have a frequency of 5. So 12 plus 5 equals 17. And so on. So now we will going to discuss what is cumulative frequency percentage distribution. So what is cumulative frequency percentage distribution? It is obtained by dividing the cumulative frequency by the number of cases, or n. So our formula is cumulative percentage frequency equals to cumulative frequency over the number of cases times 100. So CPF is cumulative percentage frequency, RCF is cumulative frequency, and N is the number of cases. From this moment, you have an example of cumulative frequency lesser than. So our basis for this example is our table that I discussed earlier. So for instance, class limit 71 to 75 has 27 cumulative frequency lesser than. So we will going to use our formula for computing the cumulative percentage frequency. It is CPF equals to cumulative frequency lesser than over number of cases times 100. So CPF equals to our cumulative frequency is 27. Our number of cases is 50. So 27 over 50 times 100. So CPF equals 27 divided by 50 equals 0.54 times 100. So CPF is equal to 54%. So from this example, it means that 54% of the cases obtain a score of 75 or below. So from another example, from the class cumulative frequency greater than, we have our basis for this is the table that I discussed earlier. Same table. For instance, the class limit 81 to 85 has cumulative frequency greater than of 17. Then we will going to have use our formula to compute the cumulative percentage frequency. So CPF equals to cumulative frequency greater than over number of cases times 100. So cumulative percentage frequency equals to 17 over 50 times 100. So CPF equals to 17 divided by 50 equals 0.34 times 100 equals to CPF greater than equals 34. So we will have our cumulative percentage frequency of 34%. So it means that 34% of the cases obtain a score of 81 or above. That's all for today. This is Jobert, and thank you for listening. God bless and stay safe, everyone.